Hey there, I'm Sami from Binance, and today we're diving into P2P trading, a popular way to buy and sell crypto directly with users. If you're new to crypto or looking for an alternative way to trade, Binance P2P might be the perfect solution. Let me show you how it works. So what exactly is P2P trading? It stands for peer-to-peer trading, where you buy or sell crypto directly with another person without going through an exchange as an intermediary. Binance P2P acts as a marketplace, connecting buyers and sellers, and provides an escrow service to make sure everything is secure. Unlike traditional exchanges, P2P trading lets you choose your payment methods, such as bank transfers, third-party payment platforms, or even cash, depending on what the seller accepts. It's flexible, and you can often find better prices by negotiating directly with other users. Now, let's walk you through how to buy crypto using Binance P2P. First, log into your Binance account and head to the P2P section by clicking on Trade and selecting P2P. You'll see a list of sellers offering different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDT, and more. Next, choose the crypto you want to buy, let's say Bitcoin. You can filter the sellers by payment method and price to find one that works for you. Once you've found a seller, click Buy BTC. After selecting the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. Complete the payment according to the seller's instructions, but don't forget to click the Transferred Notify Seller button once you've sent the payment. Once the seller confirms they've received your payment, Binance will release the crypto from escrow into your account. It's as simple as that. Before you start, here are a few tips to keep your P2P trading safe. Check the seller's rating. Always choose sellers with a high rating and lots of completed trades. Verified merchants with a solid P2P trading history have more credibility. Use secure payment methods. Avoid risky or unfamiliar payment methods. Confirm the payment. Only click Transferred Notify Seller after you've made the payment to avoid disputes. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to P2P trading on Binance. It's flexible, secure, and gives you more control over how you buy or sell crypto. Give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more Binance tips and guides. See you in the next video.